Hey, welcome everyone. Larry Bailey here, Mortgage Workflow Partners. Today's Tuesday. It is 4 p.m. That means we're going to get together as a community. We're going to go through all kinds of cool stuff. Today's topic is all about how to truly embrace workflow before technology in your organization. And as we're rolling in, a couple of housekeeping items I wanted to go over with the community here before we get going. So first of all, I want to make sure that everybody understands as you're going through the community, one of the things that tends to happen, I found, is folks don't know about the free courses area. So sometimes this just shrunk. So it's really easy not to see it. So if you happen to be scrolling down, you'll see the for everyone. That's where you come in here. So you can always expand out the free courses, and you should be able to join. So the Encompass 25.2 release, we've had about 147 people go through there. We recently updated the web version, so go ahead and check that out. Hopefully everybody has a great weekend of updates. So we have that in there. That's the first housekeeping thing. Make sure you keep those free courses. Also, if you're interested in enrolling in the admin coaching and certification course, there is a 14-day trial. So if you click on any one of these, you can sign up. It will ask you for credit card information because we need to make sure you are you. But you can sign up for 14 days. You can cancel anytime. And basically what that allows you to do is, besides all the resources in there, allows you to sign up for all these weekly courses, et cetera, and the chats and everything else. Today we had a great workshop where I went through comparison forms, how to build them, how to understand them, and then also later on we'll provide the actual input form and business rules, et cetera, to run those suckers in there for you, for those that want to join that. All right, so there's that part. Lastly, let's talk about AI. So in the community, easiest way to get to the AI agent is to click the little chat bubble right there, that direct message, and then select agents here, and then go ahead and click the plus symbol. So by doing that, you'll go ahead and start a new message, select that agent, and just be like, how do I set up a calc field? And it'll figure things out and go through there. I just actually took there was a question in there earlier today from another community member that was all about how to set up a method to do something based upon 10 days after a milestone was finished. An AI agent walked them through how to set up a scheduler along with notification template. Super awesome. This platform continues to amaze me on how it would answer because it thinks like I do because it gives all the information. So in any event, make sure that you are leveraging the AI agent. All right, so we've got a quorum here. We've got enough people joining. Let's get into our conversation. So today's conversation, as it says on the open events, is all about how to truly embrace workflow before technology in your organization. So for those that are here, and feel free to use the chat or the Q&A here on the Teams meeting. But for those that are here, raise of hands. Who's actually using the concept of putting workflow first in your company before technology?